Hi folks, Mike here, what's up? In today's video I want to show you how to use a simple Facebook Messenger bot. And the reason I'm going to do that is carrying on from a video I done yesterday. And if you're watching this in 2 weeks time, then yeah, a video I done just over 2 weeks ago. Okay, so carrying on from a previous video I did, where I was explaining how it's getting quite hard now to get your to post in Facebook groups using your affiliate link, your coded affiliate link, because Facebook algorithms are starting to sort of like flag them as spam, unpublished business pages, block personal profile pages, suspend them, sometimes take them totally out the game. So you need to get start getting a little bit smarter and finding ways around that. My previous video I showed you how to use Facebook Notes to do that. Okay, this way I'm going to show you how to use a Facebook Messenger bot. Okay, Facebook Messenger bot sounds a bit spammy, but it's not. Okay, all you're going to be doing is getting people to interact with you via Messenger. Okay, and once they do that, it legitimizes you actually sending them your link via Facebook Messenger. Because if you can't post your link in Facebook groups because Facebook are flagging it up as, you know, going against their guidelines, then you're not going to be able to send your link to anybody on in Messenger either. Okay, so the way this does, what actually happens here is once you've got this all set up, the Messenger bot, I use a company called or a website called ManyChat. It's free. You can set up a free account. Is they will give you a link, okay, to advertise, to put in place of your affiliate link, and it's so far removed from your affiliate link that the Facebook algorithms are not picking it up at the moment. As I say at the moment, because that can all change at any time. Okay, Facebook is constantly moving and changing, so yeah, you have to keep on the ball. Posting in Facebook groups is a strategy you can use to get your name out there, but it shouldn't be the only way that you're actually marketing. You should have several different ways of getting your message out there. As I say, because things are changing, and if you're using Facebook groups as your only method, and then Facebook manages to stop you doing that, you're absolutely knackered. You're not going to, so you need 3 or 4 different ways of marketing your business. Okay, so if one stops, you've still got 2 or 3 to fall back on while you find something else that you can do to replace the one that's not working anymore. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my couple of things that you'll need. You'll need a Facebook business page. Okay, you'll need a URL shortener, something like Bitly, and you'll need an account with ManyChat, and it's manychat.com. No affiliate links there whatsoever. You can just create it's a free website to join, and you can set up a free account. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my ManyChat account, and I'm going to use, for this example, I'm going to use the free lead system. Okay, it's perfect. This is for something that you can give away. So if you've got something you can give away to get them to draw people in and get them into your messenger, then you can start sending them messages and make offers and things like that. You can bring them into your lead capture page if you want to do that. Send them to your Facebook page, any website that you wanted to. Send them to your blog, whatever you want to do. Okay, so once you've got your account set up, you want to go over to, with the free account, by the way, they allow you 4 what they call growth tools, which is more than enough, to be fair. Okay, if you're just using this for, depends on how active you want to be, but you can pay, I think it's £10 a month, and you'll get a lot more facilities and and tools and things that you can use. So for this one, we're going to do what's called a ref URL. So you come down, when you first log in, you'll be in your dashboard. You come down to growth tools, click on new growth tools, and you want a ref URL, messenger ref URL. So you're going to click on that. Now I'm just going to drag my picture over there. I don't know how that works, but you need an opt-in message. So the first things, when people see your post and they click on your ManyChat link, they're going to come to you, they're going to get a message from you. Now that's called, the first message they get is the opt-in message. So you want to say something to like, thanks for requesting more information, thanks for requesting the free thing I've got, you know, something along those lines. Now, so first, that's the second thing you do. The first thing you do is give it a name. So I'm going to call this ref URL tester. Okay, and then you're going to save it. So that's what this growth tool is called, the ref URL tester. Now you've got, there's a default message there, but you don't want to use that. You want to create your own. So your opt-in message, and you're going to edit. Click on edit. I've got one already written, so I'm just going to paste that into there. You want to change that to first name, where it will actually populate the person's first name. Hi John, whatever. Thanks for requesting your own personal free lead system. Now what I do, I try and be a little bit human and try and keep it like casual rather than really like, you know, business like. So because you're talking to people in Messenger. Okay, it's not like you're sending an email, you're talking to people in Messenger. So I like to keep it a little bit chatty. Say, hi, thanks for requesting your own personal free lead system. Let me get it to you real quick, but first I need to check that you're a real human just like I is. LOL. Okay, so you need to add a button where they're going to send, okay, so, and the button needs to say something that's congruent to the message that they've got off you. So I'm going to put, yes, I is human, because you're asking them to click the button below that message. Okay, so you want something in that button that is congruent with the message that you've sent out. Okay, so that's what the button's going to say. Now they need to, this is going to be, they're going to be sending, when they click that, they're going to be sending a message to you. That means now that they have opted in and they are accepting that you're going to message them backwards and forwards. Okay, so you're going to click on this option here, okay, where it says send message, and the message is going to be, it's going to be this, whatever this says here, but you can edit that and you can make it say anything you like, but they're not going to see this message. This is for your benefit only. So I'm going to say message sent, and that's done. Okay, now, so that's your opt-in message. Hi Michael. So it says first name here. Hi Michael, thanks for requesting your own personal free lead system. I'm going to get it to you real quick, but first I just need to check you as a real human, just like I is. Okay, click the button below. Done. Now, you come back over here and you click on where it says message sent, or whatever you've said in that button there. Okay, and now this is the message where you're going to give them the link, or you're going to send them to wherever it is you want to go to. So again, to save a lot of time, I've already got a message copied here. Okay, cool. Hey Marty. Should have got some water. In fact, so where was I? Sorry about that. Just went and got myself a nice cup of tea. So So I've got that, oh, don't need them. So I've got this message, the next message after the opt-in message. I've copied that. Okay, I'll just get rid of that. And you're going to enter the message in here. Okay, so, and again, obviously, well, not obviously, but you don't want to leave that name there. You want to use this, and so you can populate whoever's name it is. Okay, so there you go. That's great. Thanks for doing that. Can't be too careful. So you're just referring back to the bit where you just said, oh, yes, I is human. Okay, cool. So here's that free lead system I keep banging on about. I'll get the link sent straight to your messenger. Just click the button below. Okay, also say to them, you will need, just say to them, look, you'll need a free leads emails. You'll need a real email address, because if you don't, this is for the free lead system that I'm giving away. You can use this for any referral link, by the way, as I said at the top of the video. Okay, so yeah, if you don't use a real email address, you're not going to get the information you've asked for. Simple as that. Okay, but say it in a sort of like conversational manner. Don't be sort of like really stern and strict, or you want to sort of like keep things chatty. Okay, so they think they feel that you're a real human being, and that you're chatting to them, you're talking to them. Okay, so yeah, go and click the button below. So you're going to click here and add a button, and what you're going to say in there is something like, "Give me the system." Okay. Oops. Okay, you see there's a little counter that tells you how many characters you've got. I'm right on the cusp there. I can't have any more characters. Okay, so I'll put give me the system, and you want them. This is where you're going to give them the link wherever you want them to go. So you click on open a website and enter the URL here. I've got my link somewhere in Bitly. It's the free lead system, so I'm going to copy that. I need to change these actually, but there you go. So paste that in there, click done, and then publish. Okay, now you can check it, you can preview it, and if you click on that, it will send the message sequence to your messenger. Okay, so just test it, make sure it's working properly. Okay, now how you're going to use this now, how you're actually going to set this up in Facebook is you need to, so if you come here, and that's the one you've just set, the ref URL tester, click on that, and you've got a button there that says open in actions, and next to it you've got a setup button, and here you've got the link, okay, that you're going to be using. So you're going to copy that. Now what I would do, I would actually put that into Bitly and use it as a shorten the link. Okay, but I won't do that for now. That's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, I'll tell you what, I will do it. Just create a bit link. So you paste that URL there, give it a title, ref URL tester, because I'm going to come in and delete that again in a bit. Okay, and then save it, and you want to copy that link. Okay, so now this is where you come over to Facebook, and you're going to just move me. You're going to create a post. Okay, so first of all, and I've got one I created earlier. So let me find that post. There we go. So I'm going to copy this. And copy that. Go back into my Facebook. Paste that in there. I want to add a picture. And it's for the free lead system. So I'm going to add a free lead system picture. So you're just basically making a post. Now I need to go back to Bitly because and copy that link again. Paste that in there like that. And then you want to share that. So post that up on your Facebook page. Okay, that's cool. Now to enable you to share this, because if I'd have posted my free lead system or my Lead Lightning affiliate link here, it would have come up and said I was going against community guidelines. Okay, so that would have flagged up. But because I'm using the ManyChat or the Facebook, the growth tool link, which is so far removed from your affiliate link that the Facebook algorithms aren't picking it up. Okay, you can post away to your heart's content. Okay, now what you want to do now, I know it's like a jigsaw, lots of pieces putting together, but once you've done this a couple of times, 2 or 3 times, it just becomes second nature. It's like anything, whenever you're learning anything, it always seems hard until you know how to do it. Okay, so stick with it, follow the steps I've showed you. If you find my directions a little bit difficult, then have a look on YouTube. There's be somebody else that have done a video. Have a look. The training in ManyChat's own training, they've got over 50 hours of training, I believe. So yeah, that shows you how to use all the different growth tools. But what you want to do now is this is what I do. Okay, I will copy the permalink for this post. And how you do that is you click below where your name is. You just click below there, and it opens up in the post bigger. Go up to, I'll bring that down a bit. Go up to the search bar. Up to your browser. Click in there and copy that link. Now come back to the post, and you're going to say you want to edit the post. There's it go, edit post. So you want to tab that down a few and put that permalink that you've just copied in there. And now you copy all of this, delete that permalink from this post and say done editing. So that's how it was before. Now you've copied all of that text with the link and the permalink. Now you want to save them somewhere, like in a notepad, in a Word doc or something like that. So all you need to do, let me save that. Just show you. Okay, so if you save that there, you've got that permanently now. So all you need to do is just copy all of that. Go over to your Facebook groups. And paste it in the group. Always move this horrible, big, ugly looking link, okay? Always remove that. Post that in the group. And you're safe as houses, okay? Because if you'd have posted your affiliate link in there, that would have probably flagged it up. And if it didn't do it today, it'll do it tomorrow. But you're safe as houses by using this method, Okay, so and when people click on that, it's going to send them to your messenger. They're going to get the opt-in message where you're saying thanks for requesting more information, or thanks for requesting the thing, whatever that thing is. Okay, and you're going to say, before I get that to you, I just need to check that you're certain that this is what you want, or that you're a real human being, or you're not a robot, or something along those lines, you know. And then they will then click yes, I am human, or I'm not a robot, or whatever you put in the button on that bot, okay, on the messenger. Whatever you put in that button, they'll click that, and that will send you a message. That will send you a message, not them. It will send you a message which is saying basically, yeah, I'm happy for you to send me the information that I'm requested. You can then send them another message, just reminding them what they've requested. That's great. Let me get that free lead system. Let me get that thing to you. Or here's that video that you requested. Just click the link below. Okay. They'll click that link, and you've programmed that to send them wherever you want them to go. Okay. In this instance, it's to the free lead system. So as soon as they click on that, they're in your messenger. You can then send them a message every day. Hi John, how's it going? Did you get that free lead system? Have you used it? Look, I've done a video because I understand there's a few people having a few issues in getting started with this. Go and have a look at my YouTube channel. And you know, that's much better, I think, than emails. Anyway, I think I've banged on a little bit too long again, as I usually do. But yeah, if you've got any questions, just give me a shout. Okay, I'm going to upload this to the Power Lead System Facebook group. I'll put it in the files there. Okay, if you're watching it on YouTube, leave me a comment below. Give me a thumbs up. If you're watching it on Facebook, the same. Give me a comment. Give me a like. And if you've got any questions, just fire away. I'm happy to chat anytime. Okay, so that's I think that's about it. And hope you got some value out of this. And happy posting.